Hello everyone. Social media giant Facebook announced on 28 October that the company will rebrand itself to represent the fact that it's now a metaverse company. Speaking at Facebook conference, Chief Executive Officer Mark Zuckerberg said that the company will now be called Meta. In this video, we will talk about whether the metaverse will change our life, or is it just a rebranding to save the brand name of Facebook? So, subscribe to my channel and let's start. First, we will know what metaverse is. So think it like this, the internet has been brought to life. In the metaverse, we can touch and feel the internet, and every part of it will be in 3D. Mark Zuckerberg has described it as a virtual environment you can go inside of. Instead of just looking at a screen, essentially, it's a world of endless, interconnected virtual communities where people can meet, work, and play using virtual reality headset or augmented reality glasses, smartphone apps, or any other devices. Yes, metaverse is a game-changing technology. You will start living your virtual life the same way you are living your physical life. Things like going to a virtual concert, taking an online trip, viewing or creating artworks, and trying on or buying digital clothing. It all will be virtually possible on the internet with metaverse. The metaverse also could be a game changer for the work from home shift. Instead of seeing co-workers on a video call grid, employees could join them in a virtual office. Facebook has launched meeting software for companies called Horizon Workrooms to use it with Oculus VR headsets. But the early reviews on VR headsets had not been great. Headset cost $300 or more, putting the metaverse most cutting-edge experience out of reach for many. So this can be called a new internet, but will people accept this new internet from Facebook? Because as we all know, Facebook is not good with privacy, and about metaverse, there will be a tons of data just from a single user. What you buy, what you see, what your character is. After having this all data, Facebook will do what they do best. Make users a product and sell ads and manipulate us. Metaverse will not just include Facebook or Instagram. There are many companies showing interest in this project like Microsoft and chip maker Nvidia. Game companies also are taking a lead role. Epic Games, the company behind the popular Fortnite video game, has raised $1 billion from investors to help with its long-term plan for building the metaverse. And Roblox is another big player, joining the metaverse where people can come together and enjoy playing, socializing with 3D experience. And this metaverse trend is not only taking place in the tech world, but also in other sectors, like consumer brand Gucci collaborated in June with Roblox to sell a collection of digital-only accessories. Coca-Cola and Clinique has also sold digital tokens pitched as a stepping stone to the metaverse. So metaverse is a kind of a hit before getting launched. Even we have to buy the headset of VR to connect with metaverse to experience it in 3D. So after this all metaverse internet, will Facebook become a clean brand, or will something will go with metaverse like the data breaches, antitrust crackdowns going with Facebook? So what next for Facebook? That's the story for some other video.